where you're going. I try to point right at that green marker. That's it. Slowly. Don't move so much. Don't steer so much. Just a little bit. There you go. That's the way. That's all it takes. Just a little bit of steering. Try to head right at that green marker. Get the other boat in the water.
We're coming to get the rescue boat.
Justin's all on his own.
Where's the green marker? Pull your sail back into the corner. There you go. Look where you're going.
He's going.
Where's the green marker?
That's not how he was taught to do that. That's not the way he was taught to do that. Get that boat in with the sail luffing.
Why me can't go in water, Grandma?
You can.
You said me can't.
Well, because they're giving lessons right there.
Okay, turn and come back to me. The other way. Turn the other way. The other way. Okay, come on back. That's it. Turn. Turn now. Thank you. Okay, you were supposed to turn the other way, weren't you? Come towards me now. Point the boat right at me. Where am I? And you were supposed to change sides of the boat when we turned, right?
Oops.
Why make him go in water? No, make him go in water. Come on, make him go in water.
Yeah.
Okay, go that way.
Just right here, Cody, right over here. Listen, look at Grandma. Listen, look at Grandma. Cody, look at Grandma. You stay on this side of Grandma.
Oh, no, keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning.
What
Oh,
I say?
yeah.
Get over on this side of me.
Keep turning. Go that way more.
All over there. You can play in the water right over there.
Keep turning. Keep turning. No. Okay. When I say turn, when I say keep turning, I want you to keep turning same direction. Go straight. Put it in the middle. Okay, now you're going straight. Now, turn towards that green mark. Keep turning. Keep turning. That's it. Don't change. Now go straight. Now head for that green mark. Now, when you come back at me, I want you to turn the other way. Put your tiller towards the sail. When you come back at me. Not now, but keep going. You ready? Okay. Make sure you stay with me after I see all of it. Right there. Tell them the headboard. Head to the green mark. Where's the green mark? Head to the green mark. Where's the green mark? Head for it. Keep turning. Head. No, the other wrong way. The green mark. The green mark. Head for the green mark. Thank you. Now, push the tiller towards the sail. Push the tiller. That's it. Keep turning. Come back at me. Keep turning. Change sides. Change sides. Change sides. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Come back at me now. Woohoo! Nice job. Point the boat right at me. Come right here. Okay. Okay. Here, tiller. Nice job, Justin. Keep coming right at me. Remember where you're supposed to sit. Back to the side.
Hey, where are you supposed to be?
Your back's supposed to be to the side. Look, keep going
Cody.
straight, though. Keep going straight. Where are you supposed to be sitting? On the side of the boat, right?
Grandma.
Over there.
Where are you supposed to hold your seat, too? Never let go of the tiller. Never. Come here, Justin. Come on into me. Okay. Never let go of your tiller. If you let go of your tiller, your boat's going to turn right into the wind. Okay. Where are you supposed to hold your seat? Okay. Never let go of the tiller. Let go of the tiller. What's the tiller? That's the right. Tiller hooks the weather. The weather's the part in the water.